Why do most people never make a comeback? Because the moment life punches them in the mouth, they stay down. Everybody loves a comeback story until it's their turn to do the ugly work. Most people won't admit they messed up. They blame their boss, the economy, their childhood, anything but themselves. You can't rebuild a life you refuse to take responsibility for. Comebacks start with one sentence. This is on me, and most people never say it. A comeback isn't magical, it's painful, it's repetitive, it's boring. You have to grind when you're exhausted, move when you don't feel like it, stay locked in when the results are invisible. People want the glory, but they don't want the grind. That's why they stay stuck. Real comebacks happen in silence. No applause, no validation, no audience. Most people collapse when nobody's watching. The ones who rise, they use the silence as fuel. Anyone can go hard for a week, but day after day, month after month, that's where almost everyone quits. Because a real comeback isn't about changing your life, it's about changing you. If you still think like the same person who fell off, you're gonna fall off again. People want to come back while keeping the same habits, same ego, same mindset that wrecked them in the first place. That's why they never rise. Because a comeback isn't an event, it's a transformation. And transformation is uncomfortable as hell. Most people never make a comeback because it's easier to stay down than to get up every day and fight for a version of yourself you haven't met yet. But if you're hearing this, you still have a choice. Stay where you are or rebuild into someone stronger. Most won't do it, but you can if you're willing to pay the price.